chocolate Sonic. I got nothing fancy, a Coke, like real limes, and I think a real cherry. Anyways, with Micah, she's over here. I actually didn't have much of a jackpot haul from this Dollar Tree. I didn't see really anything that's new. I don't know if I got anything that's new actually, but I did need to do restocking for the house. Actually, this is new. These bigger 4th of July flags, which honestly, or not 4th of July, American flags, I had no idea that Dollar Tree was selling them this size, and I actually think they are gorgeous. I don't think the quality will probably last very long. They're pretty thin, but look how long the stick is. I actually want to put these in the front yard. I missed this like cutoff to have like a flag in the front yard, so I'm gonna add these, and they just ended up being like $1.25. I think they're gonna look really nice. I think the size, I was actually considering like the smaller flags that come in the pack at Dollar Tree. I think those are, I mean, I think those would be great too, actually. I don't know. I got 4 because I don't know if I want to do like 2 on one side of the house and 2 on the other, but I need to get these up fast because Memorial Day is literally days away. So I was very surprised by this. I did not know that this was at Dollar Tree. And then hopefully those will last for like Flag Day, which will be next, and then 4th of July. So I don't know. Anyways, yeah, Sonic's right there, so I'm just like in a weird, random parking lot. Okay, then I got this binder. I really love yellow, but I think the quality's not that great. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not like, you can kind of see through it. Like whatever they laminated it with this yellow plastic, you see that? Like, you see the difference? I don't know, but I want to add like those clear sheets, and I want to like keep track of like my Etsy orders and stuff. So some of y'all like send me address changes and requests and things like that, and I just want to be able to make sure I don't like lose that when you email me the change request. So I need like an Etsy binder for my craft room. So I got that. Then I got this little notepad. This is also a restock for me. I love junk journaling with it. They also have this in like regular white sheets too, if you just like want a memo pad. So I got that. Then I had to do a restock on the $3 candles. I got the Very Vanilla. This is currently in my guest bathroom in my craft room. If you didn't see my makeover on that with my Amazon products, go watch that video. I'll link the card of it right here. But I ended up pulling this candle. It was in my office. I pulled it into my that bathroom for that video, and I was like, oh, I need this back in my office. So I have one going in that bathroom, and now I've got one back in my office. I forgot to throw up my total, $51.75. I also got candy. That, yeah. Then I got the shower gel. This is the Brazilian Mist. It's going to be a dupe to that Sol de Janeiro 62. And this is the one that has the notes of pistachio. I love this one. It's my personal like body mist. So I got the body wash that matches it. So this was a restock for me. I already went through my first bottle that I got. And then I got this one. Again, I've already gotten the Tahiti body wash. This is with coconut. This one is a dupe to the men's. So Old Spice, that's what it's a dupe to. And I got this for myself because I really like it. So I just wanted to like get in some like body washes, even though I have my Dove one that I really love, but I just want to have like new ones. Okay, then I got, you already know why. And then I found some Sweetheart ropes, but then I found this one. I feel like this one's new, the Country Time filled ropes, sweet or sour and sweet lemonade. I'm telling you, Dollar Tree has crazy candy. And look at this candy that I just found. I was so excited about it. It's giving nostalgia. It's by Double Bubble. It's like the little rock bubblegum candies. These are a brand new drop at Dollar Tree. Run to get these, especially if you're into junk journaling like I am and you like follow me for like what I buy at Dollar Tree. These have the cute little window, so once you obviously go through the candy and you eat it, you can save this piece and you have this cute little window to like work with. So I got 2 of those. That's the first time I've ever seen Dollar Tree have them. And then if you're not into junk journaling, I do love how they have this little, like, you pop it open here, and I guess you kind of like do that. So that's cool. Then I picked up these Fruity O cereal bars. I've hauled this before. I wanted to get another one because I want to make a little junk journal out of this one. But these little bars, I actually tried one the other day, or like, actually it was a while back, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I would say, from what I remember, it was like a 6 out of 10. And it's not horrible, but anyways. So, I got that for junk journaling. You guys know I love me some Dollar Tree socks. I have a Nike pair. I have a pair from like Shein kind of thing. But otherwise, every time I have a Dollar Tree sock on my foot. But these are Marilyn Monroe's. I didn't even know that this was like a thing. Obviously, you can see it was the bonus item, so this was $3. But I really kind of got it for this pair right here. I like the black pair with the stripes. Then you get a regular pair, and then these have like a little glittery, you see that? Little glittery thing. So you get 2 regular whites. I love ankle socks. Okay, then I got 2 eyelash curlers, a pink and a black. And I also found a new set of flashcards. This brand right here is honestly what made me grab this. Okay, this is a big name brand, by the way. And I bought a bunch from Amazon because Dollar Tree wasn't going to carry the ones I was looking for. You probably know which ones I'm talking about because I showed them. I have to go back and get more of these. Oh my gosh. I should open these up in store, but I don't. I love it. Oh, the little rainbow. I told you guys, like, I'm really into like rainbows right now from like St. Patty's Day. That's really cute. The x-rays, really cute. That would be a cute one for like a Halloween spread. So I'm expect to see like 10 more boxes of these and up, or 20, whatever. Tomato. But so, see, I'm not a fan of like this. I'm more so like, I like it a little less busy. I like it more like this than like this. But this is such a good box. I'm shook. Yeah. Dollar Tree's been dropping some new little flashcards lately. And then I found more of the gummy bear pins. So I hauled the green and the red, and turns out they have a blue and purple as well. So now I think I've completed the collection. What'd I tell you? Dollar Tree typically does things in 4s. So I can't wait to add these to my little growing pen collection. Then, hold on. Oh, I just dropped that. Also in the checkout aisle, look at what I found. Wait, this is taking me back. I never had one of these, and I wanted one of these so bad. These are a digital pet. You guys, $1.25, run, go get this. Go get that. This is the cutest thing, especially if you're nostalgic. Like, this would even be cute to attach to your purse, because you know everybody's doing the charms and all of that. You're never too old. Don't let anyone ever tell you that, first of all. Second of all, even if it's for your kid, this is so cool. They get to, you know, kind of get their little pet, and they have to keep it alive. You know, it's a classic game. There's over 100 pets. I only found it in a red and blue option, which is fine because those are great options. You watch your pet grow every day, and yeah, that's crazy. Like, this is new to Dollar Tree. This is gonna sell out immediately. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Okay, so there's that bag, and then in the last bag, part of my restock, Micah wanted some gloves, and then I got some sponges. I got blue and the green yellow. So this is what I use all the time, and she's been grabbing for my sponges, so I decided to get her her own set so that the blues will be hers, and then these will just be mine that I keep in stock in the kitchen. And then I picked up the Spa Luxury Vanilla Sugar Scrub. Y'all, look at this. Look at the whipped. Now, and sometimes I kind of understand why somebody ate Tide Pods, because like I just want to like take a spoon in here, but I love smelling like vanilla. And then I found some new air fresheners. So this is the only thing new, I guess, besides the flags. They also had this in a peach. Fun fact, but I don't like the smell of peach. I'm very much a fruity gal, but I hate the smell of peaches. So anyways, this is bergamot crystal beads, and they have the gel and then the beads. So again, they have this in the peach as well. I don't know if there's any other scents available. That's just what the store had today. But yeah, so that is it. That's my haul for today. Sometimes when a store is just not happening, I use it as an opportunity to like restock, because they'll always have like my classic things that I always need. I'm excited about my socks. I've actually always wanted a pair with the black with the stripe. It just gives me 70s and I love that. So anyways, that's it. Oh, these were new. This is such a hot drop for me. I was so excited about it. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. Go get you a fun Sonic drink. I love being on TikTok and finding like how people create like cool drinks at Sonic. I just got something very plain today. But anyways, that's it. I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Bye.